Well, I'm pretty excited. I've been interested in one of these for a while and finally got my hands on one. This is an Rosefield hookah. So let's go ahead and open it up. This is the box that it arrives in. Well, that's cool. It comes in a case. I didn't know that. So inside the case, it's like a padded case. A zipper top. We've got, I'm guessing, the instructions. This is the square Yado. This is sort of the parts breakdown and then the assembly instructions. Pretty simple. Looks like we've got some springs and a remote control, some different accessories, some different hardware. Then we've got a couple of different metal parts. I'll go ahead and pull the different parts out of here and lay them out. Well, even though I'm new to all this, I can certainly tell that these are high quality parts. Now that I've taken them out, I can check them out. Made sure everything was here. Now let's go ahead and assemble it all. All the parts are high quality aluminum that either screw together or use compression. Everything's fitting together perfectly. You know, if I'm allowed to say it, this is actually pretty fun to assemble. It's not quite like an erector set or something. It's not complicated or anything, but it's real satisfying, I guess, putting together all these precision aluminum machined parts. So here I have it assembled. It wasn't real difficult. You've got the metal on top. I'm guessing this gets hot, so you have a little handle here that kind of assembles. I'm guessing this is where the hot part is. You've got a silicone portion here, and then a glass tray so that nothing can fall down. You've got option for 2 hoses, and then there's an LED light thing underneath that you have a remote control for. It all disassembles and goes into the bag and for travel or to store it. Really looking forward to using this. I want to thank them for sending us this one to check out. Hope this helps.